Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So today, the class 5 English we are going. So which class? 5th class students. So how you are learning, 5th class students? Are you fine? And how you are learning? How you are reading your textbooks? I listened from our principal said that you all are not at all listening the classes, 5th class students. Whoever listening that you tell to your friends to listen. So how much hard we are struggling to do for you. So why you are taking easy? Education is very important to our life. మన యొక్క లైఫ్లో ఫుడ్, గాలి, తాగే వాటర్, తినే ఒక ఆహార పదార్థాలు ఎలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కూడా అలానే ఇంపార్టెంట్. So you want to become what you want to become? To roam on the roads? No. Then why? What do you want to do? You must do hard work and read. You must struggle for education కోసం ఎంతమంది బాధపడుతున్నారు. So many people are struggling for education, but what you are doing? We are also telling, then also you are not listening. So it is very బాధాకరంగా ఉంది, sadness for me. చాలా బాధాకరంగా ఉంది. I am too sad to your behavior. Whoever listening, please tell to your class, wherever nearby, whatever the phones there be, you tell to them to listen. So I will also call to everyone. So I will also take the times. Every parent I will call you and ask everyone is listening now. If they are not listening, you should listen. Okay, because education is very important to us. So today we have completed, till yesterday we have completed 16 lessons. Why we are completing the lessons? Not it is a time pass. It is not at all time pass, 5th class students, I am telling you. The time pass kaadu. Why we want to struggle? There is no need to tell for you. అవునా కాదా? అవసరమా? మాకు అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకు? మీరు కొంచెమన్నా ఏదో 50% అన్నా చదువుతారు, 50% అన్నా వింటారు మా మాట అనే మా యొక్క లోపల ఉన్న మా యొక్క బాధని మీకు చెప్తున్నాం. చాలామందికి చదువులేక బాధపడుతుంటే మీకు ఆన్లైన్ చెప్పినా కూడా బాధ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు ఆన్లైన్ చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం ఏముంది? రావచ్చు, గుంపులుగా తెలంగాణ వాళ్ళు తీసుకోవచ్చు నిర్ణయం. మీ యొక్క సేఫ్టీ కోసమే కదమ్మా ఇలా క్లాసెస్ చెప్తున్నారు, వింటున్నా. కొంచెం వినండి, విని బుక్స్ తీసుకొని చదవండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫర్ యూ. సో ప్లీజ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ రిక్వెస్ట్. Education is very important to everyone, each and everyone, children. So please keep in your mind and do the work, whatever I am telling. So listen the classes, everyone, 5th class students. So we have completed 16 lessons. So yesterday I given you homework. So you do it. So I can't say you are doing or not, I don't know, but you must do. So today 17th lesson I wrote here, the Ballad of the Father Gilligan. So this poem today I will be explained. I read and I explained you. This poem has been written by William Butler Yeats, his name. So now I am starting the poem. The old priest Peter Gilligan was very night and a day. So first I will read whole poem, then I will explain part. Okay. For half his flock were in their beds, or under green sods laid. Once while he nodded on the chair at the mouth hour of evening. So at the mouth hour of evening, and another poor man sent for him, and he began to grieve. So next I have no rest, no joy, no peace, for people die and die. For people die and die. And after cried he, God, forgive, my body spoke not. So Mavroni, the man has died. Mavroni, the man has died. While I sat on the chair, he rose his horse out with sleep, and rode with little care. He rode, now as he never rode, by rocky lane and fen. The sick man's wife opened the door. Father, you come again. And is the poor man dead? He cried. He died an hour ago. The old priest Peter Gilligan. The grief swelled to and fur. When you were gone, he turned and died. as merry as a bird, the old priest Peter Gilligan. He knelt, him at the word, he who hath made the nights of stars, for soul who tried and bleed, sent ones of his great angels down to help me in my need. He wrapped in purple robes with the planet in his care, had pity on the least of things, asleep of a chair. So this is the poem about he is praying. Here is a man. He is the priest Peter Gilligan, father of a church. So he is telling the old priest Peter, he is a Gilligan. He was telling, was very night and day. Half of the flock were in the beds. One under greensward was laid. One sparrow is nodded on the chair, and another of another eve. So here another poor man sent for him. Again he was sent by the poor man to grief, and he began to cry. So next, I have no rest. So he's telling, I have no rest, no joy, no peace. He don't have any. So here he came to the church and he's telling about his feelings here. He don't, on the breath, he was telling there is no joy, santosham ledu. He don't have no rest. He came, so everyone will go to prayer. So we will pray in the temple. So we will, inner feeling, we will tell whatever we have. Mani oka badalni. So here, he is telling I have no rest, he is having no joy. Nor joy, nor peaceful. Peace mind is no having peace. For the people die and die. Again, he is the people who are dying and dying. After he cried, God, forgive. God, forgive me. My body spoke not. My body will not spoke now. So here, Marvoni is the man he was dead. So here, Marvoni was dead while I slept on the chair. Here, while he was slept on his chair, Marvoni was died. Next, he rose. He was out of his sleep and he was raised up, and when he was out of the sleep and rode with a little care. He was rode with the little bit of the care. He rode now as he never rode by the rocky lane and fen. Never he was rode by the rocky and his fen. The sticky man's wife opened the door. Here the sticky man's wife was opened this door. Father, you come again. Father, please come again. She is telling. Next, and is the poor man dead? He cried. Here she is calling sticky man's wife. So here the father is telling the poor man was died and he cried. He died an hour ago. So he was died an hour ago. Hour munde he was died an hour ago. The old priest Peter Gilligan. The old priest Peter Gilligan. I gripped saved to the fold. He was gripped and you saved to the fold. When you are gone, when we will be gone. So here he turns and died. So he was returned and he was died. As merry as a bird, he was merry as a bird. The old priest Peter Gilligan. Priest Peter Gilligan, he knelt him at the word. He was again what the welder. He was knelt with this word. He who had made up of night stars. It is made up of night stars for the soul who was tried to bleed. He was tried to bleed the stars who made in the night. Sent one of the great angels. So when the night it is there, they will be sent by the angels down to help the needed peoples. He who is wrapped in purple robes, here she from the sky they will be come down to help the people. So who was needs. Here he who wrapped in purple robes with the planet in his care. In the planets, the planets they will be care. Had pity on the least of the things, asleep upon a chair. So this is the poem about a praying here. About a year he is telling in the poem everything. What is the inner feeling is there. So here a man was died. So 1 hour. So here a pastor. See here. Here it is a church. So a father is doing the prayer. Okay, whatever the inner feeling is that he is telling to him. So now here we have been completed the lesson, children. Poem again I will explain once again. I will tell to you poem. Malli chadutanu. The bladder. The ballad of Father Gilligan. The old priest Peter Gilligan was very night and day, for half his folk were in their beds or under green swords lay. The old priest Peter Gilligan was very night and day, for half his flock were in their beds or under green swords lay. Once, while he nodded on a chair at the mouth of Eve, another poor man sent for him, and he began to cry. Once, while he nodded on a chair at the mouth of Eve, another poor man sent for him, and he began to grieve. I have no rest, no joy, no peace. I have no rest, no joy, no peace. For people die and die, and after cried he God, forgive. My body spoke not. Marvoni, Marvoni, the man has died. Marvoni, Marvoni, the man has died. While I slept on the chair, he rose his horse out of his sleep and rode with little care. He rode now as he never rode, by rocky lane and fen. The sticky man's wife opened the door. Father, you come again. And is the poor man dead? He cried. He died an hour ago. The old priest Peter Gilligan in grief swayed to and fro. When you were gone, he turned and died, as merry as a bird. The old priest Peter Gilligan, he knelt him at the word, he who hath made the night of stars for the soul who tried and bleeds, send one of his great angel down to help me by need. He wrapped in purple robes, with the planet in his care, had pity on least of things, asleep upon a chair. So this is the poem. I repeated you also repeat with me. So now I will write the math. Summative assessment. Will go to the summative assessment, children, again. So here matching is there. So we have to match the words with this poem. Flock. Second one, under. Green swords lay. My body spoke not I. Here the body is speaking. Rode with little care. Fifth one, he knelt him at the word. Wrap in purple robes. So this is the 6 bits. So I'll write just A and B. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. So I will match to this one and I'll explain you. Okay. Flock, people of the village. Here the people of the village. So it is a E. Under green swords lay, buried, you know. So F. My body spoke not I, the mind is not false. C. Rode with a little K. Reckless galloping. Wrapped in purple robes, the Almighty ones. So he knelt. Kneel down and pray. Next it is A. So keeping down here paying. So these are the bit number 1. So read the following conversation and answer the questions. Again here conversation between here father and Rama. So here conversation between Rama and what is conversation we will see. Sambhashana ani antaru, between two people a topic. Father, Rama, where is your mother? Here Rama father is asking where is your mother. Father, she was not at home when I got back from school. Father, that is strange, she never goes out without information. So is here Rama father మధ్యలో సంభాషణ జరుగుతుంది వాళ్ళ మదర్ గురించి. Because her mother is not at home. So he asked her, where is your mother? I too don't know, father. When I came back to school, she is not at here. So your father told, it is very strange. Your mother will give information only, then she will go without information, she will not go. For Rohan. Next Rohan. Further, I think mother has gone to her friend's Meera auntie's house. Here Rohan also came. Rama, Rohan, here it came. The conversation between so many people also it will be going on. So here Rohan is telling father, the mother has been gone to he is thinking that she has gone to Meera auntie's house. So Rama, let me call Meera auntie and find out. Rama makes a phone call. Rama is so okay, we will call to the Meera auntie and ask whether mother is there or not. Rama, hello, is this Meera auntie? Meera auntie, yes. Who is this? Rama, I am Rama. Is my mother is around? So Meera auntie ki call చేశారు. అక్కడ ఉందని అనుకొని రోహన్ చెప్పంగానే రామా ఓకే అన్నాడు. కాల్ చేశాడు మీరా ఆంటీ. హలో ఫోన్ వెల్ వి కాల్. హలో మీరా ఆంటీ హియర్ మై మదర్ ఈస్ దేర్ హియర్. మీరా ఆంటీ, నో రామా, యువర్ మదర్ ఈస్ నాట్ హియర్. సో మీరా ఆంటీ ఏమిచ్చింది రిప్లై, నో యువర్ మదర్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్. రామా, ఓకే మీరా ఆంటీ, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ద బెల్ రింగ్స్. Rohan runs and opens the door. Mother, hello Rohan. Rohan, mother, where you are? Where you? We were so worried. Mother, your grandmother is unwell. I gone to the hospital to see her. So after bell rings, Rama has excitedly opened the door. Yeah, hello Rohan. So ikkada Rohan door open చేశాడు. మదర్ వచ్చింది. బెల్ రింగ్ కాగానే రోహన్ ఏం చేశాడు, రన్స్ వెరీ రన్లీ quickly he went to run and he was open the door and he was open the door. Then he was saw his mother. Here సంభాషణ between the Rohan, mother, Rama, father. How many characters are there here? See, 4. సంభాషణ ఎంతమంది జరగచ్చు, ఎంతమంది మధ్యలో అయినా కన్వర్జేషన్ జరగదు. ఫాదర్, రామా, రోహన్, మీరా ఆంటీ, నెక్స్ట్ మదర్. సో దీస్ పీపుల్ has been conversation in this topic. So mother has here bell ring కాగానే మదర్ వచ్చేసింది. మదర్ డోర్ తీయగానే మదర్ కనిపించి, అమ్మ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళావు నువ్వు చెప్పకుండా, చాలా బాధపడ్డాము ఈజ్ టెల్లింగ్. సో ఎస్, మదర్ టోల్డ్ యువర్ గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఈజ్ అన్వెల్, సో సడన్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు గో టు హాస్పిటల్ అండ్ సీ హర్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కన్వర్జేషన్ షార్ట్, a small conversation between the Rohan, Rama, Meera aunty, father, mother. So your homework is, so 5th class students, you should do homework. So conversation is there, bit number 2. So you have to write question and answers here in the conversation in your book. Okay, this very easy, here only it's there. Just ikkada choose, ikkada answer cheyali. Who is Rohan's sister? Rama. Okay, Rama is the Rohan's sister. Rama is the Rohan sister. Ikkada Rama evaru? Rohan sister. So here father, Rama, father, Rohan. Here Meera auntie, mother are the characters. So here Rohan's sister is Rama. Rama is the Rohan's sister. So here it is very easy. So here Rama, here the characters: sister, father, brother, aunt, mom, dad. Father and mother are the conversation has become here. So here now the ballad of the Father Gilligan's we have been completed. It is a poem of a praying to the God with the help of needs. So whatever the person here died, so here at the night the angels will come to the help. So here a small poem, you understand better. Okay, so here we completed the lesson. You do the conversation and write the answer. So next we will to move to the tomorrow next lesson. So thank you very much children. So read well, do well. So education is very important. Thank you very much. Rama.